Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken with debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Kraken app. And now if you aren't logged into your account, be sure to be logged into your account. And now once you have logged into your account, here on the bottom bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and among them you'll be seeing an option that says portfolio. Tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to a portfolio page. Now under it you'll be seeing an option that says buy crypto. Simply tap on that, or just simply tap on the purple icon on the bottom. You will have an option to buy a cryptocurrency. And once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing to buy Bitcoin or any other currency that you like. Now here you have an option to select how much amount you want to invest. Let's just assume you want to invest 50 pounds. And once you tap on that, here you'll be asked to pay with and given options like Apple Pay, add a card or deposit. Now select the option that says add a card, and once you tap on that, here you'll be given the option to enter in the details of your card. All you gotta do is enter in all the details and now tap on next. And once you have done with that, you'll be able to buy the crypto or the Bitcoin through debit card, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.